Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm currently here at the Kuala Lumpur Autoshow, if I'm not mistaken, to check out the Neta V at the back. Now the reason why I'm here is because the Neta V is supposed to be the most affordable EV that you can get in Malaysia. So just in terms of price, the retail price is like 100k and they're giving like 10,000 off right off the bat. So that effectively makes it about 90,000 ringgit. Now what are you getting for the car? Well, let me just show you a very quick walk around. But before that, some numbers for you just in case you're wondering. This car can go 380 kilometers on one charge. It does like 0 to 50 km/h in under 4 seconds. So it's not to say like a very fast car or anything like that. It's a very basic EV that you're getting here today. Alright, so as I walk around the car, I notice a couple of things. In terms of the design, we start off with the exterior. I mean, it is how it is. You can see how it looks like. Let me know if you like it, but personally, I'm not a huge fan of this design. I kind of think it looks a bit outdated, but I mean, for 90,000 ringgit, will you really complain? Would you like to choose this over the city hatchback? Let me know down in the comment section below. Alright, so as we move into the car, I noticed that the interior design, on paper, it looks quite alright. You can see the steering itself. Everything looks nicely clad in sort of like a leather kind of look. There's a couple of hard plastics on the top and middle section of the dashboard itself, which I think is completely fine. The design, the layout, everything is very minimalist as you would expect in most EVs, but I think for 90k, I think it's okay-ish. I wouldn't say that you should go off right ahead and buy it because it's the best deal. There's going to be a lot of EVs coming into Malaysia, and I think this is just something that you should know of, but not like buy it right away. Alright, so other than the steering and the dashboard, I noticed that the seats, the leather seats, were actually quite comfortable. Everything felt a bit alright, quite nice in terms of build quality on the inside. Now the only thing that I would point out that is a little bit lacking in terms of build quality would be the doors. So I noticed that the doors are a bit light to close. You know, when you close it, you have that plasticky kind of feel, the sound as well. So that's just something that I noticed during my very quick walk around with the vehicle. Okay, this is the door sound test. Feels a bit light in terms of the door. Okay, we can check the dashboard here. It's a bit sounds quite okay. Dashboard. Over here it's like hard plastics. Over here you have a small glove box. Okay, this is how it sounds like, the buttons. Signal. Cup holders. Plastic, also plastic. Here, also plastic. Okay, door panel here, plastic. Plastic. This is also plastic. But here is a bit soft. Here, plastic. Very plasticky. Now if you move on to the back, in terms of the space, this is a kind of small kind of hatchback. It's not something where you could fit like a whole large family inside. So if you are like me, 175 cm, you might push the driving seat a little bit back, and it might cause, you know, a bit of a sacrifice to the space at the back. So it's a small hatchback. I would say maybe slightly larger than a Myvi, but yeah, this is what you can get for 90,000. Again, if you are dying to try an EV and you have a very limited budget, maybe you want to consider this, but otherwise, I still strongly suggest that you look around and wait for more EVs to come and hit Malaysia, because they definitely are coming. With that said, thank you for watching today's very quick video. It's a bit noisy around here. Please forgive me if the sound is not great, but I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye!